Inspect the shipment to ensure all required parts are present prior to beginning installation. Lifting strap routing. With the top of the straps facing inward, route the lifting strap through the slot in the top of the pop-up adapter as shown. Thread the end of the pop-up adapter eye bolt, the looped end, through the small loop in the end of the lifting strap. The female snaps installed on the lifting strap will slide through the slot in the pop-up adapter bracket with a small amount of force as the strap is fed through. Snap installation. Install a male snap on the bottom of the bracket using a 3/8 inch self-tapping screw in the provided 1/8 inch hole at the bottom of the bracket. If an additional snap is desired for easier access, one may be installed approximately 12 to 14 inches below the bottom end of the bracket using the snap and 1-inch self-tapping screw as shown. Ensure that the snap at the end of the lifting strap can reach the additional snap location prior to installing by pulling the strap into position. Install pop-up adapter according to the pop-up adapter installation instructions.